Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play PUBG Mobile using the Gameloop emulator with a keyboard. First, head over to the official Gameloop website to download their emulator. Once the setup file is downloaded, install it on your computer. Next, open Gameloop, search for PUBG Mobile in the Game Center, and then click to download and install it. This initial setup is straightforward, ensuring you are ready to dive into the game. Once in the game, the fundamental controls are quite intuitive, resembling many PC shooter titles. You will use the W, A, S, D keys to move your character around the map. To engage enemies, the left mouse button will fire your weapon, and the right mouse button will allow you to aim down sights for better accuracy. Remember to use the F key for all your basic interactions within the game world. Beyond the basics, several other keys are crucial for effective gameplay. Press Tab to quickly access your inventory and manage your loot. Your number keys, like 1, 2, or 3, will let you switch between your primary and secondary weapons or grenades. Gameloop also offers extensive customization options, allowing you to rebind keys. This means you can tailor your controls precisely to your preferences for a truly personalized experience. To ensure a smooth gameplay experience, optimizing your settings is key. Access the Gameloop settings to fine-tune emulator performance, possibly choosing a dedicated graphics card if you have one. Inside PUBG Mobile, navigate to the graphics settings and select Smooth for graphics and Extreme or 90 frames per second for frame rate if your system allows. This balance helps maintain competitive performance, giving you a distinct advantage and a more enjoyable session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.